So the next condition that we are going to discuss is exactly one root in between K1 and K2. Exactly one root in between K1 and K2. So what are the conditions which ensure that this happens? If you think in terms of graph, you have two numbers K1 and K2. So you need exactly one root in between K1 and K2. That means the graph has to be either like this or like this. So what is the condition which ensures that this happens? So the first condition is discriminant greater than or equal to 0. Discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. And the next condition. So you don't need any condition about the vertex, x coordinate of the vertex, minus b by 2, it can be anything. The condition which is important here is if f of k1 is negative, f of k2 has to be positive. And if f of k1 is positive, f of k2 has to be negative. That is, f of k1 and f of k2 should be of opposite signs so that you have exactly one root in between k1 and k2. So the next condition is f of k1 into f of k2 has to be less than 0. The functional value at k1 and the functional value at k2 should be of opposite signs so that you get one root in between k1 and k2. So if f of k1 and f of k2 are of opposite signs, that means their product is negative. So that's the condition which ensures that exactly one root will be in between k1 and k2. So I hope you have understood the different conditions that we have regarding the location of roots. Now let us try to solve some questions based on this topic.